Today we're checking out these WeatherTech No-Drill Mud Flaps in black for the front and rear of the 2020 and newer Silverado 2500 HD. If you're looking to protect your paint, body, and undercarriage from road debris, then these are definitely worth checking out. This mud flap kit is crafted with durable rubber polymer compounds designed to flex under impact while holding shape and resisting cracking over time. The kit features vehicle-specific fitment so that flaps contour closely to the vehicle wheel wells, minimizing drag or interference while still covering enough to catch splashes, rocks, and debris from the tires. These mud flaps help redirect road spray and stones downward, reducing chips to paint and keeping nearby vehicles safer. And as an added bonus, you're not gonna get that dirt and mud caked up behind the back wheels, so it might save you on some more frequent car washes. Because they're thick and high enough, they protect even with larger tires, and the installation is designed to use factory mounting points and the hardware, avoiding any drilling or modifications needed for the truck. When it comes to the construction, these are made from a proprietary rubber blend that is very high grade, and the flaps resist UV degradation, cracking, and abrasion over time, even with everyday wear and tear. The edges are tapered to reduce wind noise and flap backlash. The mounting hardware is stainless steel to further resist corrosion, and the fit ensures the flap remains stable even at highway speeds and those rough off-road conditions. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $200 price range for the complete set of 4 flaps. For a high quality, vehicle matched protective accessory like this, it's a very fair price in my opinion. Installation is rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in 1 hour of your time, or maybe less if everything goes smooth. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're gonna give you a detailed breakdown of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, T15 Torx socket, or the provided T15 Torx bit. All right, today we're gonna be installing some mud flaps on our Silverado, so let's get started. And one thing I want to point out is you can absolutely install these with your vehicle on the ground with your wheels on. There's no need to put it in the air or take the wheels off. We're just doing this for demonstration purposes to give you the best view possible. So if you are doing this on the ground, whichever side you decide to start on in the front, you want to turn the wheel that direction. So we're on the right side, the passenger side. So we would turn our wheels all the way right. Once you have that done, you want to grab a T15 Torx socket on a ratchet, or your kit does come with a T15 Torx bit. And we're going to remove the 3 T15 Torx screws at the bottom of our fender liner and then get those out of the way. So it's going to be these 3 screws. We'll start with this outer one. And once you have your first one out, you can remove the other 2. Now we're going to grab our mud flap with the RH, that's going to be right hand side, which is our passenger side. We're going to grab our factory T15 Torx screws. We'll get this lined up and get these started. Slide this into place. We'll get our first screw started right here. Then you can get your other 2 in place as well. Now we'll tighten these down with our T15 Torx socket. As our other 2. Now once we have our screws in, we're going to grab our provided retainer clip and install that right here to our fender trim and our mud flap. Pop that into place. All right, so now just like with the front, we're going to remove our 3 T15 Torx screws back here, and with our T15 Torx socket on our ratchet. Once again, we'll get our mud flap lined up. We are still on the right-hand side of our vehicle, passenger side. So we've got our rear right-hand side flap. We'll get these in, get our screws started. And we'll tighten these back down. And once again, we'll install our provided clip. Now once you have this side installed, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up our review and install of our WeatherTech No-Drill Mud Flaps and black finish for the front and rear of your 20 to current Silverado 2500 and 3500 HD. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.